Learn how to make a back-to-school bento box full of sweet treats. Welcome to our page, where we're going to learn, shop, and decorate together at Fran's Cake and Candy Supplies. Hit the subscribe button to follow. What you'll need: 1 box of cake mix, buttercream, Cakesicle silicone mold, Cakesicle sticks, strawberries, Oreos, melting chocolate in multiple colors, piping bags, tip number 1M, mixing bowls and spatulas, mini ice cream scooper, toothpicks, sprinkle and sugar toppers, and a 6-piece cupcake box with an insert. Let's get started. Split a cake box mix between 1 dozen cupcakes and an 8-inch cake pan. Once baked and cooled, break up the cake into a fine crumb to make your cakesicles. Continue breaking up the cake until there are no pieces left. Mix in a golf ball size of buttercream and mix well until you have a firm dough-like consistency. Add more buttercream if the mix is too crumbly. Use a small ice cream scooper and add 2 scoops of the mix into each cakesicle cell. Press the mix down until you have a smooth finish on top. Next, gently insert the popsicle sticks into the cakesicles, pressing the top down. Slide them in until the edge of the popsicle stick lines up with the edge of the cakesicle mold. Refrigerate your cakesicles until fully chilled. Melt your melting chocolate while the cakesicles cool. Start with 30-second increments and mix well until you no longer see pieces of the chocolate. You can choose from a variety of cookies and treats to make your chocolate-dipped sweets. You can use a fork or toothpick to help you get that perfect dip. Insert a toothpick into the Oreo and dip the entire Oreo into the melted chocolate. Gently tap your wrist to shake the excess chocolate off before placing the Oreo on parchment paper. Repeat the same process with the strawberries. Make sure to prepare the strawberries ahead of time by washing and patting them dry. Leave the strawberries out before dipping them into the warm chocolate. This allows the strawberries to come down to room temperature and avoids causing cracks in the chocolate while it dries. Take your cakesicles out of the mold as soon as you pull them out of the refrigerator. Gently press into the underside of the silicone mold to push the cakesicle out at an angle. Same rule applies to the cakesicles. Let them cool down to room temperature for about 5 minutes before dipping them into the melted chocolate. Tap your wrist gently to shake excess chocolate off. You can also scrape extra chocolate off the bottom side of your cakesicle on the edge of the glass. Remove the toothpicks from your sweet treats by twisting them off. Work on the cupcakes while your treats dry. Using the star tip number 1M, apply a swirl on your cupcakes and top them off with sprinkles and your favorite school-themed sugar toppers. Next, prepare piping bags with colorful melting chocolate and melt. Cut a small opening on the tip. Practice piping a few zigzags on the parchment paper before you pipe onto your treats. Just go back and forth as you move your way down. I am piping multiple colors onto the Oreos and strawberries, so I am spacing out the zigzags. Lift your treats off the parchment paper before the chocolate fully dries to tuck the extra chocolate underneath. Pipe your zigzags at an angle on your cakesicles and immediately stick your sugar toppers on top. I'm using colorful crayon toppers to match my zigzags. I'm using a 6-piece cupcake insert and box and will adjust it to fit 2 of each treat. Cut the spacer between 2 cupcake holders of the insert. This is where you'll place your cakesicles. Add cupcake liners for the smaller treats and voila! A DIY bento box. These make wonderful gifts during the school year to show your children's teacher how appreciated they are. Like and subscribe for more videos on DIY treats.